Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today, I'm taking you one-on-one how to monitor if your account has a copyright. And if it has copyright claim, you will be able to remove it. So what will happen will come to the very first thing, come to your account logo. Then we will go to YouTube Studio. Once we go to YouTube Studio, we will be able to access if surely the account has will come to the dashboard. So we'll scroll down up to you will see a copyright where we will confirm. So they'll tell me new removal request. In case somebody has used your material without consulting your permission, you can come here and new removal request, and you will request YouTube to remove it. So you haven't submitted any takedown request. This one is in case somebody has taken your content and you need to put it down. You will come here and select new removal request. But in case you need looking for copyright claim somebody made on your video list. So this is the vice versa. If somebody has made a copyright claim to your channel, come and be able to see it. We can see there is a copyright claim. So we can see the copyright claim. I came here and said, and that I said up close with Royal Kinyozi. This was my video that I was talking about shaving. Then I can see as I scroll at the end, so I'll be able to click on it so that I may see where the claim is. So this is the tutorial. So I'll be able to come here and see that that there is a copyright claim. So what I'll do is view the claim details. I'll come and view the copyright claim details. So we can see that the place that it has been copyrighted is from is here that you can see it. So we'll try to, I don't want to play it because when I play this part again, they might claim copy it again. Video cannot be monetized. Add revenue paid to the copyright owner. So copyright claim means that the video cannot be monetized, and if add revenue paid to the add revenue paid to the copyright owner. So I'll come here and select action. I'll select action. These are the following actions that I should take to remove a copyright. Trim out the segment, replace the song, mute the song. Do you want to dispute the copyright? You can also dispute. Once you dispute, YouTube will try to review if the copyright is really legit. But once I play this video, there's a song that I sang that was played between minute 6:51 to 7:22. So I will have to for my case I'll come here and say mute the song so that to be able to resolve this copyright claim. So this is the trending song, and we can be able to review it. It is a song by Ding Dong, Taizé and Vibe Cartel. That is the song that this is the content that was used. So I'll come here and say mute the song, and once I say mute the song, it will tell me choose how to mute the copyright claim. Mute all the song, mute all sound when the song plays, and or so in the option that I took was for the copyright summary status, I have two options: mute all the song, please remove all the song from in your video while claimed while claimed song plays. So remove the this is only mute the song only. Remove the claimed song only. Keep the rest of the sound. This option usually take longer and might not work if the song is hard to remove. So I'll pick this option. I'll pick this option where I'll remove the okay, where the two options we can say mute song only, remove the claimed song only, keep the rest of the sound. So that will be hard. It tells us this option usually take longer and might not work at all if it's hard to remove. But here it's telling me mute all the sound when the song plays. The song plays from the 6.5 minutes to 7:22. It tells me remove all the sound in a video in the claimed. I'll pick that option and I'll say continue. Once I say continue, it tells me the process might take a while. If you were able to mute the copyright song, we if we are able to mute the copyrighted song, we'll update and any update any viewing or monetization restrictions in your video. The video will remain in the current status until the process is complete. So we'll say we'll go ahead and say we mute it. So it says the process might take a while you may close the window and check back later. If you are able to mute the copyrighted song and update any viewing or monetization restriction on your video, we will update any viewing or monetization restriction on your video. I think I'm good to go. The song had been copyrighted by Ding Dong, Tezan, and Vibe Cartel. That was it. So at least I've removed all from the 6.5 minutes to 7:22. I've removed all that sound, and I know it will work. And I will receive an email telling me that the copyright has been removed. Thank you for sticking me with the end of the video recording. In case you want to register for PayPal, sign up for free, and you will earn yourself $25 for free. Thank you.